Hi, my name is Brandon, and on today's edition of 30 on 3D, I'll be showing you how to use the Accuracy Center in GrabCAD Print Pro.
Alright, so in this section, we're going to be highlighting the Accuracy Center that is available in GrabCAD Print Pro. So this feature is beneficial for you if you wanted to determine the accuracy of your prints by comparing a scanned STL version of your printed part to the original CAD file. Basically, if you believe that you have any inaccuracies or if you have any warping that's occurring to your parts and you wanted to kind of narrow down just how accurate your printed parts are compared to your CAD file. For example, if you have very tight tolerances, this is a very, very beneficial feature for you to use. So basically, to use the Accuracy Center, first you would import your native CAD file. So here we have just a step file of the duct itself. And then what you want to do is you want to import in a scanned STL of your printed part. So here I already have it imported in, but basically it's a duct before scan. It's an STL, and what you want to do is actually indicate the units that your part was scanned in. So here I have it in millimeters. And now all you want to do is compare, click compare, and it will generate a score for you, basically telling you how accurate it is compared to your original CAD file, and it's going to be a score out of 100. Alright, so now that the comparison is complete, you can see a print accuracy score is shown, and it says 29, which is a poor score. So this basically indicates that there's a lot of warping or inaccuracies that are coming out of your print. And here you have a heat map where if you highlight over it, you can actually see the displacement. You can see around this area it's 40 thou, and because it is red, I believe it is oversized. And here in these blue regions, you can see is undersized by about 20 thou, or half a millimeter, or in some cases closer to 1 millimeter. So in this situation, what you would then do is you want to click Export WAM Model, and so WAM stands for Warp Adaptive Modeling. And when you export this WAM model, it basically generates an STL that will correct for the warpage or any inaccuracies that are available or that are present. And it's important to note that this correction modifies, or it generates a brand new STL, and it does not adjust or alter your native CAD file in any way. So because I already have one, I'm not going to export this one, but once we do that, you want to go to validation. And with the validation, this is basically after you print the WAM model and then you 3D scan the printed WAM model. And then once you import that, you can then compare it to the original CAD file one more time in the Accuracy Center, and then you will have, hopefully, and what should be an improved result. Alright, so now that the second accuracy comparison is complete, we can see that it now has an accuracy score of 80, which is plus 51 compared to the normal accuracy, or the original accuracy, of 29. And something else to note is that the heat map is much more of a normal distribution now, where the initial displacements, they used to be around 30 thou to 40 thou, are now 15 to 25 thou. And in the other regions where they were undersized, you can see that they are basically non-existent now, where the displacements are only around 2 thou, 3 thou, 4 thou, and the like. One more interesting thing to note is the accuracy map over here on the right hand side. So you can see in the original STL scan, you can see that there are a lot of outliers with very, very large displacements. And when you create a WAM model, what it basically tries to do is to do kind of a global balancing across the entire part. And it basically forces the outliers down to try to achieve a much more normal distribution across the entire part. So that's basically how you achieve a much more accurate model correcting for the warpages and any shrinkage or any inaccuracies in your part by using the Accuracy Center that is available in GrabCAD Print Pro.
Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in a 60-day free trial of GrabCAD Print Pro, please give us a call or visit our website.